Hello, I'm Chris Weir, CEO of Fit Education. There are many types of exercise classes that involve performing a set of movements to music. These classes are usually performed in a group setting and are a great way to make exercise enjoyable. The choreography of these sessions is important to keep clients engaged and having fun. Some different types of choreography classes include body pump barbell workouts. Body pump is a fast-paced workout involving a barbell to get you fitter and stronger, combining music, instructions and movements to achieve specific exercises in a more time-efficient manner. It is on average a 55-minute workout with 10 tracks each targeting a specific muscle group. Works as a resistance workout and also works the cardiovascular system. Body attack or aerobic workout. Body attack is a high-energy fitness workout catered from beginners to experts. It focuses highly on cardio workout inspired by sports, therefore incorporating sports-derived movements. Involving exercises such as running, jumping and lunging with bodyweight resistance workouts timed with music, improving muscle tone, core strength, fitness and flexibility. Zumba. Zumba is a fitness program that involves cardio and Latin-inspired dance, a form of fitness class in which you burn off calories by dancing to different kinds of lively tunes. Zumba targets lots of different muscle groups at once for total body toning, boosts your heart health. You not only get aerobic benefits, it really gets your heart rate up. You also get anaerobic benefits, the kind that help you maintain a good cardiovascular respiratory system. Zumba involves cardio and Latin-inspired dance. Sport aerobics. Sport aerobics is a sport that involves performing high-intensity gymnastics moves to music. The movements are a combination of dynamic strength, static strength, balance, flexibility, and cardio fitness sequenced together in patterns. The aim of sport aerobics routines is to have a high level of artistic quality, creativity, execution, and difficulty. It requires a high level of stamina to maintain high energy throughout the entire routine. Step-by-step guide to creating a choreography from a class. Step 1, establish your audience. The age and ability level of your audience is the first thing you should consider before choreographing a piece. This will be your basis on which you choose your music, movements, sequencing and pace. The audience will enjoy a class more if they are listening to a song that is familiar to their demographic or has an engaging rhythm. For children, aim to select music that is from popular TV shows or movies to keep them engaged. For adults, aim to use popular songs from the era that they will recognise. It is often easier for clients to allow a choreographed routine when they know the general rhythm of the music. Consider the age and ability of your audience. Step 2, music speed. The tempo of your music will dictate the difficulty level of your routine. A slower song gives the clients more time to think about the execution of the movement and allows them more time to respond to demonstrations. A fast-paced song should be used in more advanced classes where the clients can pick up the routines well and have a good technique base. You should aim to choose songs that have a very steady beat, as this will make the choreography process more simple. To find the tempo of a song, listen for the strong bassline beats, not the melody or lyrics. Step 3, movements. The movements you select to use in your routines should most importantly suit your audience in terms of difficulty and style. When choreographing, you should be matching movements to the energy of the song. Try to incorporate some movements that are more simple, i.e. fillers, in between complex steps so that there are dynamic changes within the routine. Make each movement fit with a 4 or 8 beat block of counts if your music is a 4x4 rhythm, so that the steps can easily match with the music. try to match the movements to the energy of the song. Step 4, structure. Before starting to choreograph, analyse the structure of your song into its main components. Start by counting the beats in sections of 1 to 8, as this indicates a phrase or sentence of a 4x4 rhythm song. Most popular songs are 4x4 rhythms. You can find the start of a count of 8 by identifying the strongest beat at count 1. Next, break down the song into its main sections. Often this will include an introduction, first verse, pre-chorus, chorus, second verse, and a bridge. Consider the speed of each of these sections and then brainstorm the type of movements that will fit each section, i.e. the chorus might be the most high energy section with more jumping, explosive movements. Step 5, sequence. Choreograph the dance one section at a time, with distinct movements, qualities matching the different patterns of the song. When sequencing steps together, try to be conscious of making the finishing position of one movement similar to the starting position of the next, allowing your choreography to flow on effectively. The intensity of your movements should gradually build to a peak and then taper at the end of the song. One way to make your choreography more simple for participants to learn is to repeat the same sequence each time the chorus appears in the song. It also might help to always initiate movements on the right side first before the left, as most people are right side dominant, so that the movement sequencing has a general pattern that participants can follow. Start the choreography at a slow pace before building the pace and then executing the steps with the music. Step 6, teaching your choreography. Teaching your choreography will vary depending on the skill level of the participants. In general, teach blocks of approximately 16 counts at a time and repeat these sections twice before practicing with the music. Repetition is the most beneficial aspect of learning choreography, as it allows for muscle memory to occur so that participants can focus on their technique. Count the sets of 8 out loud while you teach the movements to make sure participants can see how the steps will fit in with the timing of the music. Finally, always begin teaching the choreography at a slower pace before building the pace and then executing the steps with the music. Thanks for listening.